Yo, back with the smiley slides. Okay. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, these things are hella comfortable. That sunset is starting to come out, dog. What's up, girl? Alright, so yeah, guys, I wanted to show you guys the LED that I got. Honestly, oh yeah, and my stupid key fobs are working. Alright, so the whole idea of this was just to give it more of that luxury look. It looks pretty solid, but right now, I think as of right now, it doesn't look fully complete without the DRLs. Like without the DRLs, like they just look kind of like but honestly I think they look good. Alright, so we're recording on the iPhone. I had to pick up some Chick-fil-A. I'll just go ahead and explain what happened. I left the GoPro at home because I was supposed to come to the gym, but I forgot that it's 4th of July. So that shit closed. So I figured I'll just go ahead and do this shit. So yeah, I just figured why not just go ahead and buy this shit to sand them. I've been thinking about doing it for a while, but it's just like I really don't even want these headlights anymore. So I want to go ahead and buy some 1K to 250,000 grit sandpaper. I also bought some 3K and some clear coat. I was gonna get the ceramic coating, but that shit was gonna come out to like 80 bucks just to clear my headlights. Nah, fam. I mean, I did it last time with just the sanding paper and the clear coat, and they lasted me for about like a good 3 months. Cause honestly, if I'm planning on selling these, I'm not complaining. So all right, I'll be back home. Shit looking dirty as shit. I'm about to go ahead and start sanding these headlights down. I'm not sure how well it would go. There's not a lot of wind. Last time I did this, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there was some orange peel, and I was planning on getting the ceramic coating, but that shit was like 40 bucks, bro. I was not finna pay for like 80 bucks just to restore my headlights. So I'm gonna go get the shit, and we're gonna clear these bad boys up. All right, so we got everything we need. Honestly, you can go ahead and call this a damn tutorial video, because I guess I'll show you guys how to clean them, and I'll be talking about these headlights more in detail. I also didn't get to show you guys the LED because like I said, my camera died last night, but I'm gonna show you guys what we need. So basically, all the videos that I've watched, bro, they all need the same shit. Some people will say different, but most of it's the same shit. So what you'll be needing is 1,000 sand grit and 2,500 sand grit and 3,000. I just went ahead and picked up this whole packet. It was a lot cheaper. And yeah, they have to be wet sandpaper so you can wet them and sand them. They do say you need 2K clear coat, but this is 1K. Honestly, I wasn't finna go out of my way to different stores to try to find one, so I just got this shit. And like I said, I was gonna get the clear coat, the Meguiar's clear coat, but that's like 30-40 bucks, and altogether this would have been almost 80. Is it worth it? No. If it's professionally, yeah, maybe. And then yeah, you just need some soap and water. So basically what you're supposed to do is wet it like that, and then you're supposed to put tape around like all this, but honestly I don't see the point, you know, unless you don't want water in your headlight. And you want to grab your sandpaper and you want to just sand left to right like this. The whole sandpaper. I need a block for this. You're supposed to get a block for this, but get one, so it's gonna be a little tough. Like that, side to side. Get the whole headlight. You got a good idea, right? The whole headlight, left and right. And then after that, you just want to go ahead and grab your microfiber towel, wipe the whole thing down, just like that. And then you want to do the same process this time, up and down. Just kind of up and down like that, and like this, up and down with the 2,500 grit all around the whole headlight. It shouldn't be that complicated. Literally spray it again, 200 grit up and down the whole thing, and then wipe it down. Do the same thing again, but I'm gonna show you the next movement after. All right, y'all, so basically after you do the sanding, I think I mentioned the 3K grit or 3,000 grit, however you want to call it. You basically go up and down, left to right, like you've been doing with the last two, but this one you do both motions, so up and down, left to right. And then after that, you wipe it down, you hit it with the clear coat, however many coats you want. I only do like 2 because doing too many clear coats, it'll be more blurry. Yeah, we're getting started on the second one. You guys can get an idea of how the Z will look like blue. Not this blue, I don't like this blue, but if it were this blue, this is how it would look. Yeah guys, since we're already here, let me go ahead and show you the lights. I know we were gonna show last video, but my camera died, so before I show y'all, it looks a lot better at night. I think when it's like raining and shit and you can see the reflection, it just looks so good. But yeah, it's plain and simple. I think it looks nice. You guys ready? Damn, dog, that shit looks hard, especially at night though, and you can see the reflection off the road. Well, camera died again. But yeah, damn dog, this shit look good. This shit hella shaky too. Alright y'all, we finished the second one. We're letting the first one dry still. I would do like a little time lapse of me doing it, but I ain't Casey nice ass, so we finished it. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this bitch up, clear coat it. Honestly, I really don't feel like doing this, but I probably am. So basically it should look like this. You shouldn't be seeing little shit like this, but I ran out of 1000 grit, so I might as well just fucking go ahead and do that one. So you guys, finished product. So as you guys can tell, this one looks blurry from sanding. This one looks clear, no more yellow, you guys can see. And yeah,
tomorrow.
So as you guys can see, the headlights are looking a lot better, definitely a lot better. It's very dirty right now actually, but they look a lot better. As you guys can see, it is another day. Super extremely hot outside today. Like, I'm legit cooking out here. But as you can see, there's no yellow tint. They look good, really good. It's just dirty right now, so I have to wash it, of course. The Z, as you guys can see by the title, it's obviously about the headlights, so we're gonna go ahead and talk about them. They came on the car when I bought them. I can see why a lot of people like them. Don't get me wrong, I do like the look, I do like how they look. I like the LED strip, I like the sequentials. The full black headlight is just not my thing. It might just be the color of the Z, to be honest. Like, maybe if it was a different color, I would like them, but I just don't like them, to be honest. I don't like the 3 little headlight bulbs. Like, it just doesn't look good to me. But this is just on my Z. Like, some Z's actually do look good with the Morimotos. If you guys see from my previous video, there was one Z that looked good with the Morimotos. Here's the only downside to having them. I don't know if you guys see in my videos, but one of the headlight works and the other one doesn't. Other than the sequentials, the DRLs, everything works except for the actual headlight. If you don't have insurance, you're basically screwed because you can't get another one. It's not like they sell singles, they sell pairs. As I was doing research, a lot of people were saying that these headlights tend to yellow really quickly, and that's kind of why I did this video, because they were yellow and I haven't even had this car for like a year or two, not even 2 years. That's one downside to having a Morimotos, as I know it's not just me. I've seen a lot of people talk about them. Honestly, it depends where you stay at. If you keep your car like in a garage, you're probably not gonna get yellow headlights, but obviously sun damage ruins the UV protection and just fucks up the headlights. The only thing Morimoto that I do like is probably the tail lights, but I would never get them. They look sick on other cars, but it's just there's something about the OEM look to me that just looks good. Like I said, don't get me wrong, I really like the headlights. I like the Morimotos. I like how they have the DRLs, the sequentials. If anybody wants some Morimotos, even though they're like not so good condition, hit me up. I'll gladly give them to you. Cash, of course, not for free. So basically, if you want Morimotos, just be ready to, in about like a year and a half, obviously if you leave your car outside, be ready to be replacing the lens or trying to re-clear them, because that's most likely what you'll be doing. And honestly, that's such a downfall, because I think the OEMs, they don't yellow that easily, and there's just a lot more you can do to them. Like, this is just one head unit. As you buy them, the only thing you can't do is really nothing. Like, you can't add no red accents or nothing, not that I've seen, but the OEMs, you black house them. You can do demon eye, LED, like there's just a bunch of different options you could do with the OEMs, and that's why I like them. Yeah, so don't take it as in consideration of I'm hating on Morimoto. Like, they make some sick ass products. This is a really good headlight. I would suggest to buy it. I'm not saying don't buy it, I'm just telling you what could possibly happen if you do. In my opinion, as much as these cost, I would just spend on an OEM headlight plus black housing and whatever you want to do to it. But I mean, it's all preference, to be honest. But yeah, it's basically all I want to talk about. I did re-clear the headlights. I don't know if you guys can see that. They look a lot clearer in person. Obviously you can see like little dust and shit because it's dirty. The whole Z is dirty, man. Look at that. Yo, bro, get the fuck out of my car. Damn, I just exploded that dude. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little brief discussion about the Morimotos. Once again, I'm not hating on them. Morimotos are definitely the way to go if you have a garage, if you have proper UV protection. Honestly, you could PPF them and they should be perfectly good. I said, if you don't have a garage and you leave them out here sitting in the sun, you're gonna run into problems like I did. So, but yeah, that's probably gonna wrap up the video. I just want to talk about them and show you guys me clearing them, because I was supposed to potentially sell them and trade them. So I was in the works of trading some OEM headlights, but apparently the dude ghosted me. I offered to clean them brand new for him, to polish them, spray paint him, whatever he wanted. That's why I did it. I figured I might as well just go ahead and get it out the way. So I ended up doing it, and yeah, he never followed through. So oh well, I guess I have to keep these for a little bit longer, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, there's no hate to Morimoto. If you guys want to buy some, do your proper research. They're sick headlights, trust me. If you get them, PPF them, that's my advice, so they don't end up turning yellow and you have to replace them and this and that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. It's extremely hot, I got stuff to do, and stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos. Make sure to go and subscribe and stay tuned, like I said, because we will be doing a lot of stuff for the Z. My main goal for the Z is to boost it and to have it looking streetish. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, that's what I got coming up very, very soon. Obviously not soon, but like, that's the main goal for the Z. If you guys would love to stay with me for the journey, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment and like this video, bro. Show some love to the channel. And yeah, man, I'm about to get my ass up out of here, bro. It's fucking hot. Let me see if I can show you guys how hot it is right now. Look. Bro, we got a severe weather alert for heat. That's how you know it's damn hot out here. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I see some rain coming. Hopefully it's rain. It's way too damn hot out here. Hopefully you guys take my advice. Like I said, unfortunately I'm gonna have to get rid of the Morimotos. I don't want them. I never liked them to begin with. Like I said, that's not me hating, but that's just preference. Everybody has personal preference, but damn, this is hot, bro.